So welcome back to our videos on Barista. In the previous video, we looked at the coffee machine itself, and we looked at making espressos and an Americano. In the next video, we're going to take that further and look at milk-based coffees, lattes and cappuccinos. So welcome to the next video. So this is a video on making a latte. So first of all, we need to prepare the machine to make an espresso. So this is one shot of 7 grams of coffee compressed and placed in the machine. So Jack is just going to warm the glass through with a little bit of water from the machine. So a latte is normally presented in a latte glass or a large latte cup, but in this instance we're using a latte glass. And the next thing he's going to do is steam the milk. So Jack's filling the jug no more than 2/3 full, just under the spout. So what he's going to do next is make sure the temperature probe is in the jug. He's going to steam the milk to 70 degrees. So he's just purged the steam nozzle to make sure that the steam is regulated properly. He's going to place the tip of the steam nozzle inside the milk. He's pushing steam now through the milk, which is going to heat it up. And in this instance, he doesn't want a lot of foam, just a little bit of foam. A latte should be nearly all milk with a little bit of foam on the top. So he's going to knock the jug just to get rid of any excess air bubbles. He's going to pour the milk into the latte glass. And as you can see, he's pouring this very long. So he's lifting the jug up so the milk falls to the bottom. So the coffee always goes on top of the steamed milk for a latte. And what we should be able to see from a latte is milk at the bottom, a little bit of coffee starting to settle, and a ring of micro bubbles at the top. The next coffee we're going to move to is a cappuccino. So what we're looking for with a cappuccino is 1/3 coffee, 1/3 milk, and 1/3 froth. This we're going to serve in a small cup, or we can do a double shot. In this instance, we're going to make a 1-shot cappuccino. So first of all, Jack is making his espresso shot. So for a cappuccino, the tip of the steam nozzle just needs to be under the milk, because what we're trying to do is produce more air with the steam to help the milk froth more, because we're looking for more micro bubbles with this. And every time he's used the steamer, it needs to be wiped, the steam nozzle, and purged. And in this instance, the shot will go into the cup first. He needs to tap and swirl the jug to make sure that the bubbles are not settling on top of the milk. They need to go all the way through the milk. As he knocks the jug and swirls the jug, the milk will become nice and glossy. Perfect cappuccino. And on top, we garnish it with some chocolate sprinkles. So there's a little introduction to how we would make our coffees. We have an espresso, a cappuccino, an Americano, and a latte.